In this tutorial, you will learn what is modules in Node.js. This is the lesson 6 of the free series Node.js Beginners Masterclass playlist. Full playlist link is in the description. So let's start with what are modules. But before that, let me give you one situation. So in the previous section, we created this index.js file. Now imagine this is the backend project of Netflix, which is the really big project. This project has many features like database connection, user authentication, payment gateway, also many other APIs. Now imagine we add this all feature code in single index.js file. How will you manage this? Or if someone told you to add another feature in this same project, then imagine how confusing and difficult it will be. So what is the solution here? Think about it. Here we can separately create these features in different files and then simply import them in the main index.js file. These different small files are called as modules in Node.js. So if I had issue in database connection, I can go to the database connection module and resolve or improve that code independently. So to sum up, module is a piece of code that performs a specific task. For example, imagine you are building a car. A car has many parts like engine, wheels, sheets, etc. This each part is built separately and also it can be replaced or repaired without affecting the entire car. Now in Node.js, modules work similarly. Each module represents a different part of our application, and these modules can work together to form a complete application. And that's why modules are very important part of Node.js. Now we can divide modules in 3 types. First one is local modules. These are the modules which we will create for our own application, like DB module for database connection, payment module for handling payments, etc. Second one is core modules. These are the built-in modules which we get with Node.js. They are already available in all Node applications. For example, FS for file system, HTTP for creating HTTP server or making HTTP request, OS for operating system related functionality and many more. Don't worry, I will explain you all core modules in the upcoming lessons of this section. Now the third one is third-party modules. These are the modules which are created and published by other developers. If we want to use them, then we have to manually install those modules in our project. For example, express.js is third-party module which helps us to build API fast. Another module is Mongoose for MongoDB, etc. These are third-party modules built by someone else and we can also use them in our project. Don't worry about all these things, we will go step by step and learn each of them. So to quickly summarize, module is a piece of code that performs a specific task. We can store them in separate files and then we can use them in any other files. So I hope you like this lesson. Also, if you want to check out the full structured course on Node.js, then I will also add that link in the description and in the pinned comment. See you in the next lesson where you will learn how to create your own module and how to access it in another module.